sorry about the background noise. First look at the new car, bumper's detached. This wing's got a scratch. This mirror's been taped up at some stage. This wing's I've already got a replacement for. Good tread on the tyres. Very good tread on the rear. Okay, giving it a quick wash. It's actually in nice shape. I do like this GM blue. I don't know the actual paint code, but I'll look it up. No new surprises under all the mud, which is nice. There's maybe a slight little dent in that door, but nothing major. A few scratches. They've had dogs in the back. There's a few claw gouges out the bumper, but I knew about that already, and it's not the end of the world. In the estate car, they get used. A few stone chips, and I think the only damage to the bumper is that split, which I can just weld back together. So hopefully I can reuse the whole bumper. The fog light is missing. The main downside so far is the interior is filthy. Compared with the Auris, which the interior on was mint, this is a bit of a different prospect. But Hoover and a vacuum. And what I have done is I've just bought, and it's arrived today, a wet and dry vac. So we're going to try that and see how we go.